Hello everyone. I believe you've woken up well and you've started your daily activities. My name is James Ngutamoizinga and I'm a network marketing professional. I've been involved in this profession for more than 3 years, and I just wanted to communicate with my friends, colleagues, and any other viewer concerning this opportunity. But before then, I just believe that you've been asking yourself why everyone is talking of home-based business. And I want, maybe you are wondering, what is this home-based business? For me, I categorize home-based business in two areas. Number one, if you don't know, there have been so many home-based businesses before the coronavirus, and they are still there. And we thank the coronavirus issue because it has opened many of you their minds and eyes to see that one can be at home and still can make a fortune out of it. So one area of our home-based business is we have several activities people do at home, like poultry keeping, like sewing from home, making dresses from home. Any activity that you can do at the comfort of your home and make money, it is a home-based business. Now, the thing comes in how effective and efficient the home-based business is all about. That is something to consider. And how much do you need to invest for you to run a successful home-based business? Those are the things one is asking, especially for those who didn't know things to do with home-based business asking. So for me, I categorize home-based business into two. One, you can invest a lot before you start reaping in, and that's something that I believe anyone currently is not ready to do. So you don't have to spend a lot of money to invest to make infrastructure of your home-based business, going out and buy things so that you can start your business. That is one thing, and I believe no one is ready to spend much in your home-based business. The other part of home-based business is you don't have to spend a lot. A very small amount of money as an initial capital, and you're good to go, and you can even run it successfully to be a home-based business that you can change your life with. So for me, I'm introducing to you what we call network marketing. Network marketing is a business we have been in, as I said before, and it's one of the home-based businesses because it requires very little amount. You don't have to do what we call production cost. The products that you are going to sell are already manufactured, are there. Yours is only to take them to the marketplace, to create value in the marketplace, and that's it. That one doesn't require even your high level skill, because in network marketing it comes with its own education. It's a business model where it is not taught in school. So once you involve yourself in network marketing, first of all, you need to learn the basics. And once you learn the basics, then you're good to go. You don't have to spend much in education. You don't have to spend much in infrastructure. You only need a small capital where you have to acquire some few products and get the word out there. So for me, I would say we have so many. If you get into social medias, into different people from other countries, they tell you they are working from home. Getting into finding out what they do at home, you'll find they are linked to a company which does network marketing. So I encourage you, my viewer, my friend out there, find a best company. And if you find it's difficult to get a better company, and I believe you're looking for one, then I can give you the company which I am in. I'm passionate and I trust the company which I'm in, and it's one of the best network marketing companies. I'm saying this, network marketing is not better. I mean, it's not the best one opportunity in a home-based business, but I can tell you it's better. It's better than any other form of entrepreneurship or thing, especially for the average people who doesn't have much money to put up a very big company. But You can start from somewhere and get to a bigger company. We have so many. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you some of the prominent people in network marketing who have managed to make other people millionaires and themselves have succeeded. I'm not saying I've achieved much in network marketing yet, but what I've achieved so far, I can tell you, it's far much better than employment or self-employed businesses. I believe you've got something, and point is, if you are looking for best business, the network marketing is for you because it doesn't have much expenses. It's better. It's better. I can tell you, it's better for you. Thank you very much. See you in the next